it's better to be safe than sorry. You don't even respect the way you weigh. Respect you as a rider.
Oh, di solid bro. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another vlog. Mentasngi, we're going to the 20th or the second decade celebration. Jagariram. This is one of the biggest motorcycling club here in India, celebrating its 20th anniversary today. This is the 14th of February 2026. Ini late nyok mentra, but kani kade kebangi in late chete shapo mau khanu. So this is being held in one of the resort here in Shillong. And this is my bike for today. This is the Royal Enfield Bullet 94 model, and we're going to catch up with the club members. I'm here myself, Mama Living there, Mama Mons there from Sons of the Hills. Watch the video till the end. I'll be showing you the celebration. I'm not sure what to expect. Every time we meet like this, it's fun, and it's also very encouraging to see fellow bikers and other bikers coming from clubs around the state, the northeast, and also from around the country. So this is a one-day event. It's just one-day celebration. We're gonna go there. Watch this video till the end. Chalo. Abdon.
Nice to see you, brothers.
Mama Arset sends his regard. Please. Visi. Okay. Supaya, Islam. Ari, bye-bye ke. Sedang yuk program. Ah, nice. Di ini bike. So this is the venue, the 20th anniversary of Rira. Ay,
Welcome here.
thank you so much. Kita lain ngot dari siapa? Many happy 20th anniversary.
Thank you.
There's no water in the ocean. Only Pasaban. As an outgoing president, I think this will be my last day as the president of Freedom. From tomorrow, these people will have to take charge, and they'll have to carry the legacy forward for the next 2 years. If they are good, next 6 years. So please give them a giving hand. So it's something from the new president.
Thank you so much, Pak Dimian. In fact, I'm so used to consulting him for everything that today I was asking, where's the president? I forgot to now. Oh, Pak Nunu Maukeo, can you please come up? And Pak Bakha, where's Pak Bakha? Try to make things as short as possible because we've got a lot of things coming. We are one of the most powerful clubs in the whole country today. The reason being, we are standing on a very strong foundation. I will end this by inviting the 3 founding members here.
So this
One
is
Pitch
good, I
Cinema,
think, and I
Shwa.
wish this event the very best.
Oh, di solid bro. Oh, kani tengok lagi keleng-keleng. These are the custom bikes. Oh, love it. Ini. Hah? Oh, dah ada. Nice. Sweet ngatang ibang kan ni. This looks like a 1980 something model. Ay ibang ni rai. Kani kan highlight deh. Gosh, I love this. Just like mine. Kaya nga satu 1978 model jong nga di kham kom kani te. Am kami ke ju asen seriam kom kani. Kani ka kissing joni ko belum seriam kom ni. Oh, pernah begini di legend CI Hyundai. Nice. I love this. Vintage 1979. Ada dance jong ngale 1978. Benar. Ni dia paling benar. Deh kan. Jong 1978, so it's the same model. The founding members. This Thunderbird. Oh, ditang sesi baru bro, yo dep. Dah kan. Kini ka Thunderbird. Original kan ni? Original kan ni bahaya ni. Kan upi on the side. Warna kuning kan? Thunderbird kini di new model gini. Kini dari 2012-13 mat you model. And these guys who have passed away, unfortunately. Kata kawai deka, kata kawai deka Thunderbird lagi nak tay. Kini di klasik ke bertemai mentah. Ni Thunderbird kan ni? Oh, mdi fi ni. Dia kira 500 fi. Klasik 500. Oh, nice, sweet. Lo kan mensyang?
Long. Try.
Ini jong style jong gini teh. Odyssey. Oh,
Kira-kira gitu deh.
Kira 2009. Oh, since 2009. 11 Majuli, Kalimpong, Kashmir, apa?
Bang ni deh.
Nice. Oh, ugia kecil eh? Devi. Oh, sudah. Pandai hang ni kini deh. Ke 35cc dah, 50cc dah ni kan.
Kena ke break sini kan.
Kayak gitu.
Break.
Kenapa kau break ya?
Oh, yang bisa game ni.
Ni.
Ha.
Ugia kan tu. Kejap ngakot ni mana? As nanti bang, this is. Bang selesa, you dah. Baik, singam. Well made. This is Jibang bro, Jibang. Dah ke job kan ni last time?
Kedai ni sah.
Berjob ada Adam berpenong berpemsi nak makan dengan ni dia berjob
Oh, maklah. Speedometer ni.
Speedometer right? Oh bro, yo dap. Yang kini the one and only Malu Khalifa.
So ke fog light lah, tak kan dia fog light. Mau fog light ni dah ada.
Dan hujan ni dia sneak kan.
Cepat truk. Khalifa.
Solid bro. Nice. Kini tiki bami hap dah size ke jonga. Size ye phi te try hap try. Syangse. Syangse bikai. Ni kan ni display.
Long helmet dah.
Dah ada. Jika phone dah ni cakap tap phone dah. Oh. Tip top. So this is the venue. Ketinggi kini tu ke countryside resort. Hang ni. Mentang ini dance music, piki-piki begini. 1, 2, 3. Piniang kamu lo. Piniang you sia.
Welcome to our 20th anniversary of Riram. We welcome Sons of the Hills and Riders Tribe.
Thanks
anniversary.
to Backcoat.
Yes, but Freddy is here, the main guy. So please, it's because of him also. Right now we're getting socialized. And this is by Eugene. Welcome.
Ah, yeah, thank you. Kumplay P.
Yeah, P.
Adum deh. Oh, đừng liền rồi đấy.
Oh, don't link. Nãy tôi say P, don't think beri bayang kantor kita yang khoai kat tapor. Kum tu. Kayak ni ke guest house mah.
Oh, di. Kan ni kertengka
Ini
countryside.
countryside.
Countryside guest house.
Saya tu Mama Leo lah, lek. Ba Leo. Dapat
Balio Badan Buram.
Badan buram.
Thank you so much. Okay, Tafi. Bapang receiving on behalf of Royal Enfield Riders Association Mega Riram. Thank you so much, Son of the Hills.
One photo.
Thank you so much.
Thunder's Cave, ladies and gentlemen. Come on. Ini kalau pergi tempat begini party, begini headbang no, kenyat begini shot no. Di Bapang ni
Oi.
dia ini founding members jong ke club.
Klub dang ret bahaman suah.
Ha
Dan sangut nrungut ibadan.
ha.
Mga balong Dominic. Nanta sangut nrungut kita ni. Nunur dan ni
Ha
Franco
ha
nanta ni sedek cha P uti. Uti.
ha.
Nanta for RM uti.
Ha.
Dan nanta nadu natamu larai chado cha Bombay.
Oh ni.
Right across the country. This is new program saya.
Dan dengar di CI engine begitu tu bubun.
CI.
Three cheers for Thunder's Cave. Hip hip.
Ah, nice.
Hip hip.
Mud ka berkilabat kam pi kan senam.
Ngan rusan sana mentah.
Thank you guys, amazing performance guys. Thank you.
San ngasai san pau sana mai ketua kuat. Ngadang nya baik.
Tok ai ka kubuar kidan na bata jong ki riders ki badang su sedang mentah.
Terus ngasai kabha berpin right safe. Always safe. So it's better to be safe than sorry.
Kira. And the biggest lesson bapila yo kanya ka kumu rider mo serta sigi mo jong ki ke sigi kai pio.
Kaji kai te ngam dole ai lah tang ba.
Gandu.
You don't even respect the way you weigh. Respect you as a rider. And then after that only I will respect our members only. Then only I respect myself. long step by step ni.
Kira. Try lari basu estimate try kanu 1000 kilometer try lah ya haka.
Kaya kilometer ngam lanyo siu. Dodok di sebelah koi ngapai. Nasa sa Manipur lapai, sa tamu lapai. Nau do tamu sa Bombay ngalapai. Nata do natawang sa do sa kana kamari ngalapai.
Ka solo ride ke basing hai just no bila lai. Solo.
Dan nang ni sa tawang nande. Ngam kun mau siu.
Fine. Dah.
Ngam kun mau siu solo ride babun plat. Tang suyung la start ka baik ngalami be. Ngam ju up yano yunuru ngami be. Kapor kadai gawe ngihap
performing for you.
ngihap ban up ba ngihap ban penbiang kapor. Di nak tahu ke ngaru hatu kapor pimale ngai be. Ngai ya kayu sama din pi. Lani pilih pasien.
Yang kata ibu kongsan mo, no kapor di
gawe, nga perkat kapor.
Kani balai Roy mentah visum no.
Hakani karait jing dap senam ka rami.
Kita pilih kani biklai Roy mentah long pi kumno kanya ka club.
Lah song shit lah ka. Song shit ba ka club mentah. Kani parajong ah. Po YouTube. Instagram. Oh,
Pertai lah deh. Thank you, Klishmo. Gina itu khana kay iba. Tama you are living legend Klishbun.
Thank you.
Kaya musim jomki babun bike riders santai. Mamditang yangi hang ni hastir jalan ri iba shabar.
All over notice. Api. Belai.